Welcome back to our channel. Today, pag-usapan naman natin itong paborito kong indicator na ginagamit ko during my charting sessions, the moving average. Why I like this indicator? Number one, simply lang. Second, straightforward. And third, regardless of you being a beginner or experienced trader, you can find this indicator very useful and helpful in making better decisions in the stock market. So, ano nga ba ang moving average? Simply, moving average is a calculation of the average price of a stock over a certain period of time. It is called moving kasi yung average niya is recalculated as new data becomes available. Moving averages help smooth out price fluctuations, giving us a clearer picture of the trend. There are three main types of moving average. Simple moving average, exponential moving average, at ang weighted moving average. Preferably for me, I use the simple moving average. So, paano ko ginagamit yung moving average sa chart ko? So, let's add some moving average. So, I'm using two moving average. So, yung first is the 20-day moving average. And yung isa naman is yung 50-day moving average. Let's add some other columns. So, paano ko nga 'pag ginagamit 'tong dalawang moving average? Um, I use the 50-day moving average to indicate for me na yung stock is bearish, or bullish. So, every time na nasa taas ng candle yung, um, candlesticks yung prices ng sa 50-day moving average, I find these stocks as bullish or bearish. Then for my entries naman, I only enter a trade 'pag yung 20-day moving average, but 'pag yung candlestick ay above the 20-day moving average. So yun, dalawa yung tinitingnan ko dito, yung 50-day moving average and yung 20-day moving average. 'Pag yung candles ay above the 50-day moving average, for me, it indicates a signal for me that the stock is bullish. Then, if the stocks candlesticks are below the 50-day moving average, it is a signal for me that this is bearish stock. Then for the entries naman, yun, once it cross the above the 20-day moving average, then I will enter. Then to exit naman, once it cross out or break down the 20-day moving average, yun naman yung exit. So let's see some examples. Example is Stripe Plus. Ito yung isa sa mga stocks na very trending move. So ganito siya. Dalawang and um 20-day moving average yung blue line, and ang 50-day moving average yung red line. So it may differ for depends sa users. So I will only enter a stock if it is bullish kasi long positions lang yung available sa Philippine stock market. So I select those stocks that are moving upward or bullish. And for my entry naman, I will wait for the stock to cross the 20-day moving average. So in this example, ayan, titingnan ko yung candles. So titingnan ko yung candlesticks na magko-cross ng 20-day moving average. So, this will be my entry. Once it reaches the cross out the 20-day moving average, this will be my entry. Then yun, titingnan ko din yung mga conditions ko if it pass my conditions, like if it is above the 50-day moving average, it's a sign for me that stock is bullish. Then entry ko naman is the candle that cross the 20-day moving average. So enter here. Then ang exit is if it reaches, if it breaks down the 20-day moving average. So in the case of yun, T plus, yan makikita natin from the day it crosses the 20-day moving average, tuloy-tuloy lang yung movement niya. So in this example, siyempre wala pa tayong makita exit. Mag-exit lang tayo 'pag nag-touch na siya dun sa 20-day moving average. So let's try to look for another examples. Let's try City Car Energy REIT, and ganun din. Ayan, maghanap lang tayo ng entry. For example, this one, tignan natin yung candle above sa 50-day moving average, bullish, check. Then yung entry is when it cross above the 20-day moving average, check. So this will be entry. Then potential exit will be on this candle. It crossed down the 20-day moving average. So exit tayo. Then if magre-re-enter tayo is when it cross back again the above the 20-day moving average. So this one naman yon. Entry, then yung exit natin is when it breaks down, cross down the 20-day moving average. So ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Let's look for another example, LTG. Yung mga bullish stocks as of the moment. So, for LTG Group naman, ay maghanap na tayo ng entry. Ito, yan, ito dito makita natin may entry pero may exit din. So, it's not 100% pero yun, pag wala naman din talagang 100% na setup. So, and depends na lang kung paano nyo siya gagamitin. So, for example, the entry na naman ulit, ayan, entry na naman dito above the 50-day moving average and above the 20-day moving average entry. Then exit lang yon once it breaks down the 20-day moving average. So you see, moving average is a powerful tool in technical analysis. It helps you to identify trends, generate buy and sell signals, and make a better decisions. Pero yun nga, remember to use moving average in conjunction with other indicators, risk management strategies, so you could maximize your trading potentials. So, yun lamang for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. So happy trading and we'll see you in the next video.